Join me on the first outdoor flight of the DJI Spark with a 360 camera suspended beneath it. Here's the camera. It's an insta360 1X that's been stripped to the basics. The DJI Spark is propped up on suitable height props, supports that will allow it to take off with the camera suspended beneath it. There's a quarter 20 UNC camera adapter hot glued to the bottom of one of the Spark batteries. This makes it central on the Spark, hopefully give the stability. So it protrudes quite a lot beneath the Spark. That's why we need these elevated supports. If it does work, and I do want to use it in the future, I'll have to come up with a portable device for when it's out and about. The idea is to capture 360 photos. This camera is brilliant at doing that, and coupled with the elevation that the Spark could give it, it should be interesting. So here you see me binding the Spark to the controller. I'm using an iPad mini 4, so that's power the Spark up normally. When it's powered up, one tap on the button, the power button at the battery, puts it into Wi-Fi mode. Then it's just a case of searching for the Wi-Fi. In this instance, I had Bluetooth on. As soon as I turned Bluetooth off, all the connections were made. I'm using the DJI Spark Go 4 app on the iPad mini 4. It's a very sunny day, very blustery. There's a small window of opportunity for me to launch the Spark, and I was very keen to test this device stability, not to travel very high or very far, just to take off and a landing would suffice to prove the concept. So when I finally figured out that the Bluetooth needs to be off and the app finds the Spark, I can then move back to the camera on a tripod and reframe for the shot. I do know from indoor tests that hover is higher when there's weight suspended on the Spark, so this may well go out of shot, but I'll have to move the camera once I've got control of the spark. I would like to demonstrate how high it actually moves and hovers, but I'm afraid this is all I've got to work with at the moment. The spark takes off, rises up 6 feet above the garage roof. I take control, move it across and drop it down slightly while trying to get it in shot with the tripod camera. These gusts are blowing it about, the extra weight is affecting it. I decided to do a quick turn around with the spark just to see how it controls that, and then I would hand land it. Notice it drops and I regain control. I'll have to watch with this, but I'm hoping that's just the gusty conditions today. Auto land on my palm, absolutely no problem. Hand landing, no problem. Spark and camera safe. Thanks for watching. Join me again soon. More progress. Cheers.